Hi, I'm Nick Saran from VF Engineering in Orange County, California. The tuning scene's growing leaps and bounds, and R8s and Lamborghini Huracans have become the center of focus. Right next to me is a highly customized 2017 R8 V10. It features our supercharger and a range of accessories, including the aero system, the alloy wheels and suspension, all installed here in California by LTMW. The supercharger system that we make has been offered for the 5.2 V10s for approximately 10 years. The Gallardo and the Huracan and the R8 all share the same engine. There are two different versions of that engine, and our supercharger systems are designed for both styles of engines. The power is increased by up to 200 horsepower. So on the 2017 R8 V10, power is increased from either 540 horsepower for the base V10 or 610 horsepower for the V10 Plus. Both cars are increased to 805 horsepower with this supercharger system. Now, we've been getting questions and inquiries from all over the world asking, look, does the car need to be shipped to VF Engineering in California for this conversion? The answer is no. It's actually a turnkey package. We can ship this system to any speed shop around the world who may specialize and have experience in customizing cars. Customizing these cars takes them to a whole new level. They're already high quality, highly reliable, very fast cars. Now, adding 200 horsepower to them can actually make them way more exciting and actually more thrilling to drive. So why would you customize a car like this? Well, in simple terms, the answer is because you can. As long as you're looking to sort of achieve something that will excite you, you can find that product to do that for you. This supercharger system adds 200 horsepower to the Huracan and the Audi R8, and we highly recommend it for any R8 V10 enthusiast looking to take their car to the next level. To find out more about what we're doing at VF Engineering, check out our blogs in the link below.